stopping. Look at that. Wow. You can see the cutting disc really close up here. Look at those. I'm not even going to get my hand near those. And there's the main man up there controlling it. We're going to say hello. Right, Ed's camera side, so I'm going up in the carrier. So I'm up in the Forager. We have got a good crop here. This is really tall. Look at the height of it. I think it's probably 10 to 12 foot high. Really even all the way through. The best view up here is from the Forager. Ed's hiding in here waiting for his dad to turn up. We're waiting for Ed's dad. It's a tag team. And here comes the other trailer now. The problem is they had to wait, one in, one out, because the roads are so narrow. So I'm going to come in with Ed and we're going to see a load being filled. Go. Here's your dad. I'll shut the door. I've got my face mask on.
It's no more sex, it's alright.
Oh, here we go. So we're going down. It's quite a skilled job, this, because you got. To be honest, it's a very skilled job because you've got to watch the front of the Forager and fill the trailer and watch where that spout's going. Look at that. Here we go. Crack on. God, it is a good crop, isn't it? Well pleased with that. Is there some mushrooms in there?
I haven't seen any yet. No.
Normally there's some, isn't there? Yeah. I had tomatoes in there once where someone put some sewage out here. Okay. Better stop on the corners. Let's have a look. Slow down as soon as you hit it. It takes the power out of the engine. See if I can get your dad in the cab there. Can't see, there's too much reflection on the glass, I think. It's quite a scene, nice. I imagine this is the same sort of machine that harvests sugar cane. Yeah, same sort of plant, isn't it? Same sort of height.
It's amazing, really. It's all going through such a small pot.
Yeah. Yeah, all sucked into the middle, isn't it? Have a look behind. There's a fair rate of knots is coming out there.
Still.
How many times you got to go round and fill the trailer then?
I'll get about halfway up here.
Right. What's that arrow on the front? Is that just for guidance?
No, it's for the steering.
Steering? What do you mean by that?
So like basically those two rubber flaps move to like knock against the plan.
Yeah.
And it does the steering automatically.
Oh right, clever.
I don't ever use it.
No.
It's not that good, to be honest.
Right. Oh, I can see a lot of pheasants.
There's a lot of pheasants out here.
up now, isn't it? You start to see the trailer. Oh. I'll deal with that later. Phone never stops ringing, that's the trouble. That's nearly it then, isn't it? There we go. You got a special wave on there, special wave. Take her away! Take her away! Oh, I got to get around the other side now. I got a long way to go ahead. You're making me walk. Well, you got a camera on the back. I just noticed that. Is that the camera on the back? So you're not running over anyone. Yeah. That's a good idea. Oh, that's good.
And then if you flip that switch, do the hitch.
Oh, right, clever. That's good, isn't it? All mod cons, isn't it? Is that an optional extra? Oh, look, you can see the trailer going. Yeah. There you go. Bye, Dad. Bye, Dad. Don't get me sandwiches when you come back. Yeah. Bring them back. Crack on. Right, I got to get back to work, so I'm going to leave you to it, Ed.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Yeah, anyway, take care, mate.
Yeah,
all right,
cheers.
Bye-bye. You'll get your own fan club soon. Ed is available for weddings, bar mitzvahs. Brilliant. See you later, mate.
Cheers.
Right, so I didn't plan that well. I parked the Land Rover right around the far side of the field. So I've got to do a bit of walking. Still, that's good to keep fit, isn't it? We can walk up the side of the maze, looking at it. Oh, look at the size of my cobs. No, seriously. Oh, there's a funny one. That's, as Ed was saying, I was chatting to him a bit off camera. Oh. And he was saying that, you know, the crop's, you know, quite variable when you go around places, but this is a good one. It's always important to speak to people who are actually doing the job, because they get to see, you only see your own crop and you think to yourself, well, it's all right, or it's bad or anything. But when you relate that to a load of other crops around the area, that's when you get the bigger picture and you know whether you've either done it wrong or it's just that everyone's is bad. I think this year it's not too bad in some areas, although I was speaking to a feed rep the other day who did say that some parts of the country he's been to, the crops were really bad because of the dry spell they had. Whew. I'm a bit out of breath up there. Shouldn't be really, should I? Right, that's because I always have a bit of a farmer pace on me. You gotta laugh, right? So when I'm walking anywhere, my kids always go to me, oh, slow down, Dad, you got your farmer pace on. Because the thing is, I always crack on. You know, I can't help it. You got your 7 league boots on because there's always something to do. Right, well, it's a bit shorter here. I think that's because of, it's a bit rocky up here. Right, let's get back down. You know, I just heard the Forager starting up again. Didn't see the trailer arrive while I was walking around, but picked up a couple of cobs for the neighbours' chickens. So I'll just hang around to see the next load coming here, and I better get back. Always a nice spot here, very autumnal. There we go. This is the advantage of climbing on the bonnet of the Land Rover. I can see, where are they? Over the top of the maze. There they are, just coming around the corner. Well, they're not coming around the corner, they've still got a bit to do. On the headland all the way along. Let's catch them when they come back down. Quite a nice sight though, isn't it? The English countryside in the background, lovely bit of woodland. Just wobbling my fingers now because I'm trying to concentrate on this camera here as well. It's always difficult to get a decent shot and do video as well. Let's get one. Quite noisy. I'm heading back as well. Oh, he's waiting. Perhaps he's waiting for the trailer. I'm going to go. Driving back, look, someone's fly tipped this. Another instant of fly tipping along here. I'll notify the council. Horrible asbestos and everything. Disgusting.